Hey guys, this is Samuel. We have another issue on ground. Please come closer. A customer just bought this phone and said the button is misbehaving. We press 1, 2, you can see that 2 give us 6, 3 give us 6, also 4, 5 give us 9, 6, 6 give us 9, 7, 9, 8 give us 9. So we are going to correct all these things, even the hash do press by itself. So you are going to correct all these things as we lose the phone. The keypad layer of Itel 2160.
You see?
As you can see, the keypads are misbehaving. Just a single thing, just a single tweak. First of all, we service this device based on the keypad ICs that are there. Service the device. That's servicing the device first. Before you do any work on it, you need to check if those keypads are okay, if the keypads line are not broken. As you can see, all these things, they are tiny thread in it, tiny wires that connect all these keypads together. Now we are going to check first by using our picker to bridge the power button to make it come on first. So it's not coming. I need to pack the battery.
I think the battery is very low.
Okay. That's come on.
See?
We check if these keypads are we can see that one is still giving us 8. Six, 7, 8, 9. This 9. Hash. 0. And most importantly, star. You can see that they are perfect. So what we need to do now is to arrange these keypads very well. Arrange it very well. Now I'm going to arrange the keypads very well. I'll use my gum. I'll use my gum now to make sure I arrange the keypads very well.
See? As you can see.
Okay. Now most especially the star and 9, the customer complained that it do press by itself. Sometimes these mechanisms can cause a keypad to be pressing by themselves. So I'm going to clean these mechanisms.
Clean it very well.
As you can see, I'm cleaning the mechanisms. So now the next thing now that I'll do, after cleaning and
About to fix
try
it.
to fix this thing very well now.
You don't play. Don't play.
Okay, I'm done fixing the keypad. Now it's for me to test
Back the battery.
if the keypads are still working or it has an internal issue. Okay.
Can show you guys because you come and come video me abeg. I want to show my family.
Okay, let's see. 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 2 okay. You can see that it's working perfect. Now let's see if we recover it. A new case. So customers want to change the case of this phone.
Love is smart, but I like her like this. If you hit it, do it. You know,